Hello everyone. I am Meenakshi from St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Ozur. I am assistant professor in Department of Mathematics. My topic is complex analysis. In that complex analysis, we see the theorem, that is composition function theorem. Theorem statement: a composition of continuous function is itself continuous. So composition of continuous function. Composition means product of two function that is f dot g. Composition means dot product of two function f and g. So two functions are continuous. Given condition is two functions are continuous. So taking composition of two continuous function, after that composition means then the two function product of that function is also continuous. So this is the theorem. It's clear, I think. Okay, so we see the diagram. So first this is point z and z naught is inside that point. So next function taking g, so g of z and g of z naught. Next taking another function, that is f. So f of g of z and f of g of z naught. So first set is s naught and second set is s1. Okay. Next we see the proof of the theorem. Assume that f and g are continuous. Given condition is f and g are continuous. To prove that composition of continuous function is continuous, that is the f dot g is continuous. Since f of z is continuous at g of z naught in S1, by the definition of continuous, there exists epsilon greater than 0 and delta greater than 0 depending on epsilon. So by the definition, f of modulus of f of g of z minus f of g of z naught less than epsilon, whenever that domain value, that is modulus of g of z minus g of z naught is less than delta. So this is the continuous function. So continuous function definition, we see the result. So to prove this only, we prove that is f dot g of z minus f dot g of z naught. That is value is less than epsilon. Okay, here given g of z is continuous. We know that g of z is continuous at z naught in s naught. So by that definition of continuous, so modulus of g of z minus g of z naught is less than delta dash. Whenever modulus of z minus, that domain is z and z naught. So modulus of that point where difference also less than delta. Okay, next from the above two inequalities we have, so from that two inequalities we have modulus of f of g of z minus f of g of z naught is less than epsilon. In that composite function, domain of that function is z and z naught only, so that modulus of that value is difference value, that is z minus z naught value difference is less than delta. This is the proof of that composition of two continuous function is continuous. So I think clear, modulus of f of g of z minus f of g of z naught less than epsilon, whenever modulus of z minus z naught is less than delta. Hence f and g, f dot g is continuous. Thank you.